3. Do you have children?
I've got one, yes.
How old?
2.
2 years old?
2 years.
Okay, I got a question for you. When your little 2-year-old is maybe 8, 9, 10 and says to you, Daddy, 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 where did I come from? How was I made? What you gonna say?
And how old will she be then?
Maybe she's 8 or 9.
I mean, nowadays I'm going to come open, put him on the seat and then tell her what's the story.
What you gonna say?
No, man.
Firstly, she's gonna say, yeah, but where did I come from? I came from mommy's tummy. Yeah, but how did I get in there? How did you get there? You're gonna be asked these questions, bro.
That's gonna be a tricky one then. We slept with your mom and she felt good.
Slept with mommy, like when you go to sleep every single night. What does slept mean?
No, man.
How did you make me?
We had sex with your mom.
Just like that.
Yeah, we had sex.
Okay. Like say you had to imagine that there's this. This is daddy.
Yeah.
And it's the right color.
Yeah.
And I think it's about the right size.
Not sure.
How would you demonstrate?
To her?
Yeah.
How would I do that?
You'd show it like, okay, this is daddy. And maybe that's mommy. Yeah. And then what happens? What happens when mommy and daddy are together? Just once. Yo, you quick, man. What happens? Come on, show me.
Stop it, man. No.
Show me what happens. Show me what happens. How does it go?
No, man. No, guys.
Okay. Cool, my brother. Lekker. Thanks, man.
Cheers.
This is harder than I thought. Nobody wants to talk about how they would impart that knowledge about the birds and the bees. It's one of those things.